Before watching the video, if you don't mind, please subscribe to our channel and click that bell icon, so you don't accidentally miss our next videos. Thank you. Kale chickpea grain bowl with avocado dressing. Serves 4. This veggie-heavy bowl is loaded with crunch and color, thanks to crispy carrots and chickpeas, fresh kale, and a vibrant avocado dressing. It also delivers more than 55 of your daily dose of fiber, key for weight loss, energy, and healthy digestion. Bulgur, also called cracked wheat, is a quick-cooking whole grain. These bowls would also be excellent make-ahead lunches. Pack the avocado mixture separately, adding a little water to thin it as needed. Ingredients: 1 cup boiling water, 1/2 cup uncooked bulgur, 2 cans unsalted chickpeas, rinsed and drained, 1 1/2 tablespoons canola oil, 2 cups finely chopped carrots, 4 cups chopped lacinato kale, 1/2 cup vertically sliced shallots, 1/2 cup fresh flat leaf parsley leaves, 3/4 teaspoon kosher salt, divided, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 avocado, peeled and pitted, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon water, 1 tablespoon tahini, sesame seed paste, well stirred 1 garlic clove, 1/4 teaspoon ground turmeric. Instructions: combine 1 cup boiling water and bulgur in a medium bowl. Let stand 10 minutes, drain well. Pat chickpeas dry with paper towels. Heat canola oil in a large skillet over high. Add chickpeas and carrots, cook, stirring occasionally, until chickpeas are browned, about 6 minutes. Add kale, cover and cook until kale is slightly wilted and carrots are tender, about 2 minutes. Add chickpea mixture, shallots, parsley, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and pepper to bulgur, toss. Process avocado, olive oil, juice, 1 tablespoon water, tahini, garlic, turmeric, and remaining 1/4 teaspoon salt in a food processor until smooth. Divide bulgur mixture among 4 bowls, drizzle evenly with avocado mixture. Ruthenian mushroom soup. Serves 12 cups. This healthy mushroom soup is one of the heartiest bowls you'll serve this season. It all comes together in one pot with a handful of spices and warm potatoes. Pro tip: soak your mushrooms in water overnight for best results. Ingredients: 2 ounces dried porcini mushrooms, 3 tablespoons canola oil, 1 pound sliced fresh button mushrooms, 1 medium-size yellow onion, finely chopped, about 1 1/2 cups, 1 cup finely chopped celery, 3 garlic cloves, minced 1/2 teaspoon dried powdered thyme, 1/2 teaspoon dried dill, 1/2 teaspoon ground white pepper, pinch of cayenne pepper, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 1 bay leaf, 1 pound russet potatoes, peeled and cut into 1/4 inch dice, 3 tablespoons sherry vinegar, 1 1/2 teaspoons kosher salt, hot pepper sauce, such as Tabasco, fresh dill leaves. Instructions: ideally, you should soak the dried mushrooms in a quart of warm water overnight to rehydrate them. The soaking liquid is the soup stock, so be careful not to throw it away. When mushrooms are soft, remove from water, squeezing most of the liquid back into the bowl. Trim away hard woody parts of the stems. Coarsely chop mushrooms, and set aside. Pour liquid through a cheesecloth-lined sieve over a bowl. Stop when a tablespoon or so of liquid remains, and discard it along with a grit. Combine strained liquid with water until you have 10 cups. Heat the oil in a large soup pot over medium-high. Add the fresh mushrooms, onion, celery, and garlic, and cook, stirring occasionally, until mushrooms give up their water, about 10 minutes. Add thyme, dill, white pepper, and cayenne, and keep stirring. Sprinkle flour over mushroom mixture, and stir constantly for a few minutes until flour begins to stick to the pot. Add porcini mushrooms, the 10 cups of mushroom liquid, and bay leaf. Stir while scraping to deglaze bottom of pot. Cook 15 minutes, stirring as mixture thickens. Reduce heat to a simmer, stir in potatoes, and cook until meltingly tender, another 45 minutes. Season with vinegar, salt, and hot sauce to taste. Simmer a few more minutes. Remove bay leaf. Serve family style in a tureen, garnish with fresh dill, orange, tofu, and bell pepper stir-fry. Serves 4. Fresh orange juice perks up this speedy stir-fry, becoming a sticky, glossy sauce for the colorful vegetables. A quick coat in cornstarch helps the tofu develop a super crisp crust without needing to fry in lots of oil. It's a good idea to have every element at the ready by the stove before you start to cook, as the stir-fry will come together very quickly. You can use bell peppers or any vegetable you have on hand, such as broccoli florets, thinly sliced carrots, or sliced snap peas. Ingredients: 1/4 cup canola oil, divided, 5 tablespoons cornstarch, divided, 1 package extra firm Wadapak tofu, drained and cut into 3/4 inch cubes, 1/2 cup fresh orange juice, 1 cup thinly sliced yellow onion, 1 cup sliced green bell pepper, 1 cup sliced red bell pepper, 1 tablespoon thinly sliced garlic, 1/2 teaspoon grated orange rind, 1/2 teaspoon crushed red pepper, 3 tablespoons reduced sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon unseasoned rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon light brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt, 2 package pre-cooked brown rice, such as Uncle Ben's, 2 tablespoons chopped fresh cilantro. Instructions: heat 3 tablespoons oil in a large non-stick skillet over medium-high. Combine 1/4 cup cornstarch and tofu in a bowl, toss. Add tofu to pan, cook 8 minutes or until golden brown. Remove from pan. Combine remaining 1 tablespoon cornstarch and orange juice in a small bowl. Heat remaining 1 tablespoon oil in pan over medium-high. Add onion and bell peppers, cook 5 minutes. Add garlic, orange rind, and crushed red pepper, cook 1 minute. Add juice mixture, soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, and salt, bring to a boil. Stir in tofu. Place 1/2 cup rice on each of 4 plates, top each serving with 3/4 cup tofu mixture. Sprinkle evenly with cilantro. Kimchi sesame hummus. Serves 8. Here's a fun Korean spin on a classic Mediterranean appetizer. A drizzle of toasted sesame oil enhances the nuttiness of tahini, sesame seed paste, in this quick make-ahead dip, and rice vinegar stands in for the usual lemon juice. Kimchi gets blended into the hummus, where it adds a hint of savory pickled essence. It's also chopped and sprinkled on top for a burst of fermented pungency. Serve with sliced cucumbers, whole radishes, raw cauliflower florets, baby carrots, and rice crackers. Ingredients: 1 can unsalted chickpeas, 1/2 cup kimchi, 1/4 cup tahini, sesame seed paste, 3 tablespoons water, 2 tablespoons toasted sesame, oil, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt, 1 chopped garlic clove, 2 tablespoons chopped kimchi, 1 and 1/2 tablespoon sliced green onions. Instructions: drain unsalted chickpeas. Place drained chickpeas, kimchi, tahini, sesame seed paste, water, toasted sesame oil, rice vinegar, kosher salt, and chopped garlic clove in a mini food processor. Process until well blended, about 2 minutes. Spoon hummus into a bowl, top with 2 tablespoons chopped kimchi and 1½ tablespoon sliced green onions. Quinoa and roasted pepper chili. This vegetarian chili is loaded with fresh vegetables, pinto beans, and quinoa and gets its zing from poblano chilies. Serves 4. Ingredients: 2 red bell peppers, 2 poblano chilies, 4 teaspoons olive oil, 3 cups chopped zucchini, 1½ cups chopped onion, 4 garlic cloves, minced, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon Spanish smoked paprika, 1/2 cup water, 1/3 cup uncooked quinoa, rinsed, 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt, 1 can fire roasted diced tomatoes with chipotles, undrained, 1 can no salt added pinto beans, rinsed and drained, 1 cup low-sodium vegetable juice. Instructions: preheat broiler. Cut bell peppers and chilies in half lengthwise, discard seeds and membranes. Place halves, skin sides up, on a foil-lined baking sheet, and flatten with hand. Broil 10 minutes or until blackened. Place in a paper bag, fold to close tightly. Let stand 10 minutes. Peel and coarsely chop. Heat a large Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Add oil to pan, swirl to coat. Add zucchini, onion, and garlic, sauté 4 minutes. Stir in chili powder, cumin, and paprika, sauté for 30 seconds. Add roasted peppers and chilies, 1/2 cup water, and remaining ingredients, bring to a boil. Reduce heat to medium-low, cover and simmer for 20 minutes or until quinoa is tender. If you liked our video, hit the like button, leave a comment, and your wishes, or suggestions on what you would like to see next. Have a nice and healthy life.